Good morning, students. Today we are beginning democratic politics. Chapter 1 is what is democracy? Why democracy? Today's topics for discussion are types of government and democracy and its types. Look at these types of government. Anarchy. What is anarchy? Anarchy is a situation where there is no government in a country. How it can happen? Such thing can happen after a civil war in a country, when a government has been destroyed and rival groups are fighting to take its place. So there is no formal authority to control the riots or the disorder in the country. Then we have a monarchy in which a king or queen rule the country. Powers are inherited through the family line. Dictatorship in which one leader has absolute control over the citizens. Generally, a person becomes a dictator taking the instability of the government. Then oligarchy. Oligarchy is that form of government in which small group of people has all the powers. They rule over the majority of people. Then we have junta, in which some military officers take control over the country and rule over that. Democracy is that form of government in which people are the rulers. Let's try to understand these type of government with the help of few examples. First of all, monarchy. Saudi Arabia is still having the monarchy and it is being ruled by the king Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud. Germany under Adolf Hitler was a dictatorship. South Africa under apartheid was the example of oligarchy in which the white people ruled over the black people. The blacks were in majority and white were in minority. In spite of that, minority ruled over the majority. Then we have junta. Myanmar till 2011 was under the control of some military officers. Then the question comes, what is democracy? Let's understand it in detail. Let's start with a simple definition. Democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by people. Such type of thing does not happen in a monarchy also or in a dictatorship also. Abraham Lincoln defined it as democracy is a rule of the people, by the people and for the people. There may be several types of democracy. However, two main types of democracy are the direct democracy and representative democracy. What is a direct democracy? Direct democracy is that form of government in which all the citizens participate in the decision making personally rather than relying on representatives. On the other side, representative democracy is that form of government in which the people elect individuals to represent them. These representatives are given the authority to rule the country. Let's understand these types with the help of examples. Direct democracy. Switzerland is an example of direct democracy in which 5 million voters decide on important national issues through referendum. Now, what is a referendum? In a referendum, the entire electorate is asked to either accept or reject a proposal. Now, what is electorate? All those who are eligible to vote is named as the electorate. So, in a year, 2 to 3 times, the people in Switzerland, they are asked to vote in favor or against any proposal. India is an example of representative democracy. We use the right to vote. We choose or we elect our representatives. They form the government and rule over the country. Thanks for watching. Thank you and have a nice day.